Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix the Payoneer additional information required error step by step. This message usually appears when Payoneer needs extra verification details from you. First, log in to your Payoneer account and check the Notification or Alerts section on the dashboard. Open the request to see exactly what information is missing. It may ask for identity documents, address proof, business details, or payment source explanation. Upload clear, readable documents that match your account information. Make sure names, dates, and addresses are consistent. After submitting, double-check everything and confirm. Payoneer will review your information, which can take a few business days. Avoid submitting incorrect or repeated files, as this can delay approval. Once verified, the error will disappear and your account will work normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.